What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Ninja, and the title of the video is he did all this because he lost his phone. Come on, man. Hopefully it was an iPhone, man. I hope you ain't do all this over an Android, man. Let's get into it.
Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on? Let him do it everywhere. Stop! Come on, boy. Pull over, boy. Pull over, boy. See what the happens, man.
Oh, this gonna be a good one. You see how my boy picked him up? He gonna get them together. All right.
Let him do it everywhere. Stop!
Oh, yeah.
Pull over, boy. Pull over, boy. See what the happens, man.
On December 30th, 2023, police responded to an apartment complex after an intoxicated man hit his girlfriend and pulled a fire alarm.
Hello.
Okay, so he went in the unit. He's getting aggressive.
Okay.
He pulled the fire alarm because he left his phone in the Uber and he can't find it, and he's hitting his girlfriend, grabbing her around.
What
and
apartment
his
is
girlfriend, 112. She's right there. He went inside, but he was like screaming, yelling,
Yeah. 2 Bravo 1. I'm 10-4 with the caller and their girlfriend. The male's gone back into the apartment.
Oh, yeah. What's the room number? 112?
Oh, yeah. My boys is ready to get busy, boy.
Yeah, get the keys.
She gonna put it in. What's his name?
All brothers, they ready to...
No! Don't fight! Don't fight! Hey, put your hands behind your back. Stop resisting us. Stop resisting us. Stop resisting us. Stop. Watch that knife. He's got a knife. Right. It's a knife on the ground. Come on, man. Listen, man. I got it. Get it, man. Put your hands behind your back. There you go.
Shane, stop
Hands behind your
resisting.
back.
Shane, stop resisting.
What are you guys doing to me, man? Put your hands behind your back. Can I slip? You got this? I got it. What is going on, man? What is going on, man? Alright. Come on. Come outside with no knife. What's going on, man? I did nothing wrong, man. I was just... Can I ask you what's going on? Yeah. Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on? Can I ask you what's going on, man? Can I ask you what's going on? 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 Can I ask you?
You don't see them boys? Hey, you better act right, boy. They came in there ready to go, boy. What? Oh, yeah, boy. Them brothers is ready. They ready. They gonna get you together. You better act accordingly, boy.
What's going on? Can I ask you 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 what's going on? In the car. Get in the car.
I'm playing with his ass.
Chill. What are you wrong? Chill. Talk to me, man. Talk to me. Talk to me. You leave me in the hand again, I'm gonna talk to me, man. Talk. Chill. Chill. What did I do wrong then? Talk to me, man. Sit up. What did I do wrong? What did I do wrong, man? Please. these fucking things. Yo! Let him do whatever you want to do. Hey! Let him do whatever you want. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Yo, boy. Yo, that boy is built, boy. He built like that, boy. Yo, I should show y'all a photo of me when I was like 23, 24. It was like, yo, I was like that. You know what I mean? Like, now, you know, I'm a bigger dude. I'm a fatter dude. You know what I'm saying? But I was like that. You hear me? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. That guy remind me. Oh, yeah, boy. He gonna get him together.
Yo! Let him do whatever you want to do. Hey! Let him do whatever you want. Stop! 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 Get him in the car. Come on, let's go. Get him in the car.
Take him to the station.
No, what are you doing, man? Come on, let's go.
Well, you're adding more charges too.
What are you doing, man? Let's go. Come on.
Stand up.
Hey, if you kick me, it's not gonna be a good day for you. You better not kick me. It's not gonna be a good day for you. I don't like to fucking knock you the out of my feet right now, man. You know that, right? We'll get your car.
Pull over! Pull over! Put your brakes on, boy.
And I'll be what?
See what happens.
And I'll be
See
what?
happens, boy. Exactly, bitch. Exactly, bitch. Exactly, bitch. Pull over, boy. Exactly. You're a little schoolboy, little bitch. And your girlfriend knows it. While she's sucking on my dick. Swallow my cum. Little bitch ass little boy. That's what you are, little boy. You're a little boy, you know that, right? You're a little boy. Yeah. Yeah!
Stop! Stop! Stop!
You little bitch! Oh, your ass up! Come on, boy! Pull over, boy! Pull over, boy! See what the happens, man. You be a damn boy in the paradise with a badge. That's what happened, man. That's what happened, man. Exactly. Keep on driving. Keep on driving. Keep on driving. Keep on driving. Keep on doing you, man. Keep on doing you. And see you. Come on, man. It's crazy.
1900. That's wrong, 97 SM years. 2300 hours.
You headbutting my window, bro. I'm gonna kick this. Calm your ass down. Hey, you spit on me, bitch. Hey, hold on. Yeah, don't spit. You spit me in the face, man. Look at you. Right? You're a little black ass little bitch. Hey, chill. Stop spitting, bro. Get the door open.
They have arguments all the time. So I'm like, okay, fine. And then she's like shaking, and then I hear him coming, so I quickly call the cops. And while I'm calling the cops and telling them to come, he comes, grabs her, it's like, get in the apartment. I don't care, come in. He says he starts cursing at her. While he pulls her, she's screaming and yelling, help, get help. And then he comes back and starts yelling at me. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? I was like, I don't know what you want me to do. I don't know where's your phone. He's like, I took an Uber and I left my phone in the Uber. I need my phone.
Ow! No, we're trying to help my wrist. Ow! Okay. Well, we'll hold him by here. Come on.
Guys, why do you guys keep on hurting me like this, man?
No. Sir, no one's holding you.
All right.
No one's hurting
Listen,
you.
I can't walk like this, man.
Hey, call. Okay, hold on. We'll take you, sir.
No. I'm not
Put him in there. Just go in there.
Hold on.
Hold on, sir.
Hold on. Go ahead. Put him in there.
See?
Hop up.
Stop swelling. Stop welling. Just put your feet inside.
No.
Straight cut.
Can you guys like this off so I can get work car? Come on, guys.
Just take a seat.
Look how disorganized you guys are, man.
We're trying to help you up.
I'm trying to help you guys too.
All right, now swing your legs.
There you go.
Thank you.
Hey, Bell, just strap him in. Put your seatbelt on from over here. Actually, never mind. You good.
That boy got his act together. He talking like a civilized, human being. I'm trying to help you guys too. Yeah, okay. They smacked his ass up against that glass, boy, busted. Now what? You want to spit on me? What? Boom. Oh, God. Yo, boy, they got his ass together, bro. And the thing is that none of this has to happen. Like, they shouldn't even have to been rough with him from the beginning. Like, it is what it is. You should just go peacefully. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah, boy, they got his eye. Yo, those are some strong brothers, boy. All three of they had. You didn't see the way they picked that boy up, cause the white boy, he looked like he be in the, you know what I'm saying? He looked like he be in the gym a little bit too. Boy, they picked him up like he was nothing. You hear me? Oh, against the car, boy, like this. Oh. I said, oh, boy. Yeah, boy. Those boys be in that gym, boy. Yo, I gotta go. I'm going today. You hear me? Yo, I'm watching this video and I'm getting flashbacks of when I was like 24, bro. I'm just like, damn, COVID really fucked the nigga up, bro. COVID fucked me up. You know how everybody gained that weight during COVID fucked me up, boy. I ain't gonna lie, man. Oh, man, I was really like that. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, I used to go party in Miami and stuff like that or whatever. I live in New York, but I used to go down to Miami and stuff, man, and go different spots. It's like I was the biggest one in the room. Like, it was. And I'm short, you know what I'm saying? I'm like 5'8", so I definitely look stocky. Like, you know what I'm saying? I was like that. I ain't gonna lie.
I hope you guys out too, man. Like, it's not easy on me too. Thank you, man.
Yep.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.